This video sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping application. That application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store, App Store.
To learn new letters now? Good. देखो टमाटर ट मा ठ र टमाटर. What is a tomato? Tomato is tomato. 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 What is it? Tomato. T ma th r. Tomato. 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 What is the color of tomato? Color रंग. टमाटर का रंग क्या है? टमाटर का रंग लाल है. रंग कलर लाल रेड. टमाटर का रंग लाल है. टमाटर का रंग क्या है? टमाटर का रंग लाल है. टमाटर टोमेटो. देन टांग. Tongue means pear. Pear means leg. You know one word, pear. Already you have learned. The new word is tongue. Tongue is known as pear, that is a leg. Tongue, leg. Tongue. Tongue, leg. Pear, leg. Tongue, pear, both gives the same meaning, that is leg. Tongue, leg. What is tongue? Tongue is leg. Leg is pear. Okay. Tongue is leg. Pear is leg. Tongue, leg. What is tongue? Tongue is leg. Tongue is leg. Then locust. Have you seen? You might have seen this in the garden and many places. This is tidda. What is that? Tidda. Another word, tida. Tida, tidda, both gives the same meaning, that is locust. What will locust do? It will cut the leaves. Okay, it will cut the leaves. That is tida, otherwise tidda. Tida, tida, otherwise tidda, both are locust only. Tida, otherwise tidda. Tidda, tida, both gives the same meaning, that is locust. Then tund. Tund means stump. Stump. You can play cricket now, everybody. So what you are using? You are using the stump. That is tund. What is that? Tund. Tund means stump. Stump, tund. That is cut off a tree. Tund. Tund means stump. Stump in Hindi is two. Tund. What is it? Tund. Tund is known as stump. 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 When you are playing, you should use this word tund. Tund lavo. Bring the stumps. Tund. Tund, stump. All cuttings are known as stump only. Stump only. That is tund. Then tomb. Tomb. Jaybrath. Tomb. Jaybrath. You in the last class we have learned Jaybrath. Jaybrath ornaments. Tomb also an ornament only. Tomb. Whether it is an ear ornament or neck ornament or hand ornament, everything is known as tomb. Tomb, Jaybrath. Tomb is known as ornament. Jaybrath is also known as ornament. So, tomb. What is this? Tomb. Tomb is known as an ornament. Abushan. We are saying abushan, also an ornament only. Theni. Theni, little finger. Theni. 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 Theni, little finger. Theni, little finger. Theni, 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 little finger. Little finger is known as theni. Theni in Hindi. Little finger in English. We will learn about other fingers in the next class. Okay. Theni, little finger. Theni. Theni, little finger. What will you say for theni? Theni, little finger. Theni, theni, little finger. Then you know the beak of a bird, isn't it? That is known as chonch in Hindi. Chonch. Now this is a new word, toned. Chonch as well as toned gives the same meaning. You can say as toned or you can say as chonch. Chonch, toned, both are same. Both gives the same meaning. Beak. Beak means beak of a bird. Okay. Toned. To in ta. Toned. Toned beak. Toned. What word is that? Come on, say. Toned. Toned beak. Chonch beak. Now hillock. Hillock means tauriya. Tau. Tauriya. 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 Hillock. Tauriya. देखो बच्चे, you should concentrate in this. Many times you have to write. First you should identify the letter. You should identify the letter. Then only you can read and write. So listen to this. Identify the letter. Know their name. How to write. You understand that. Okay.